Sunday, February 18, 2024, first Sunday of Lent, day of diocesan walking pilgrimage. Focus. I will remember my covenant that is between me and you. Ever heard of pinky promises children often make to each other? They are very serious about these promises. In the first ever scripture story I read as a child, I was awestruck that God, despite His mighty and majesty, humbled Himself to make a promise to His creatures and even signed it with a rainbow. And His covenant stands for all eternity. But apart from His many biblical promises and healings, God has been steadfast and unfailing in keeping all His promises to me personally. Today, as we engage in the walking pilgrimage or just walk through our day in the Lenten spirit, we could bring to mind all our promises, baptismal promises often renewed, confessional promises made to God, legal promises, promises made to parents, spouse, children and friends, or even the tiniest promise of returning that phone call, visiting soon, or speaking kindly. How faithful have we been? Do our promises offer reassurance and hope, or are we guilty of hollow promises and empty speech? It is time we became persons of integrity. It is time we checked our speech, especially our many promises. Fruit. Let me start my day reverently at the family altar, reminding myself of both God's promises to me and the promises I have made to Him and to others.